Hi there, my name is Andres Caicedo from the Schrader TPMS Academy. As we've heard and seen this week, everything has been about tire safeties and the importance of keeping our tires properly maintained. That being said, not every vehicle comes with factory TPMS. That is why we at Schrader have come up with this genius system. It is the AirCheck BLE Retrofit Kit. As the name suggests, it works over Bluetooth. We have two sensors in this kit with a range extender. We can put them in our trailers, we can put them in our motorhome, we can put them in our classic cars, we can put them in our tow behinds. All of this to monitor the pressures in those tires that we are pulling. We don't want to blow out, it'll lead to an emergency, and we don't want anything catastrophic. The beauty of this kit is that the range extender comes with an internal battery. We don't need a harness, we don't need a wiring, we don't need an external battery. USB-C rechargeable, mounts to the front of your trailer, hook it up, and you're good to go. All of this to monitor tires for the safety of you and of others.